Good morning. It's amazing. It's so simple. More simply, 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 more simply. Hey, stiamo arrivando inch. It's September 8th, 2024. It's a Sunday. It's clear that perhaps il modo di mettersi bene nell'atmosfera è rosso azione su San Claus and tutto sembra restare now so it's in the morning probably 10-15 minutes. 86 Fahrenheit 30 Celsius, and this means that it's really hot in the States and civil. Whatsoever between today and the next days, I think Tuesday, precisely Tuesday, according to Italy, I don't know, the temperature should totally change. So we should have, since that moment, we should have, I think, the summer and yes, so very good this finish will happen, truly will happen. Yes, and it's an adjective called not, it's a classic adjective words, and it's facts on the period. If you are going to learn, you know, because summer period senza studiare verso diverso, ma sarà più somma noi che ancora lo scenario, I suppose nella misura, but various these things for the same, and I didn't also have some preparation. Also from Inter, spring load, for Inter, as well as adjective, color, spring and one adjective soft, so as well as also classificati nazionale nell'inizio test film questa film per esempio l'uso ancora better summer pier di summer pier senza summer pier si ripete if we're going to the end smette tu setta e col bene tu vedi che si muove e afternoon ripete solamente 36 Fahrenheit 30 Celsius l'importante in questa atmosfera civile si vuole benissimo. As you notice, fact, as I said just in the sky, sun clouds, and if you give back 6 hours,
domani serve Atta, è importante che ci sono essere presenti in Zambi, Mosso, Dei, Forza, Tesson, Emilia, Winenda, sì. Ecco, fast, mi sono messo l'ultimo se la fa guardare. Ah, anzi,